Now, we're going to go back to Facebook because you said that Facebook didn't give you any money for these emojis. 63 emojis. Now, in Webtalk, you have to do 63 emojis times 10. 10 points for every emoji. So in Webtalk, you have 630 Webtalk points from emojis and 22 comments. 22 times 20 is 400 and 440. So 440 points because you got 22 comments and 63 emojis. So 630 plus 440 is 1,070 points. Okay? Now, in Webtalk, when you get these emojis and comments, these points will turn into money.